Two people earn the same exact paycheck, same job, same hours, same number hitting their account every 2 weeks. One of them is broke by the 20th of the month every month. The other one somehow has savings, takes the trip, sleeps fine. They are not earning more. They have just learned to see one invisible difference, and that difference quietly controls almost everything they spend. By the end of this video, you'll see it too. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Here's what nobody explains. When money's tight, everything starts to feel like a need. Rent feels like a need, so does your phone. So does the food delivery, the subscription, the things that are basically being required now. This video is about telling the real needs from the fakes and the small shifts that can create breathing room on any income, even a small one. So here's the line. A need is something you generally require to live and keep earning. Shelter, basic food, getting to work, and even the minimum payment on a bill you already owe. But that's it. That's the entire list. And it's shorter than you think. A want, on the other hand, is everything that makes life nicer. And there's nothing wrong with wants. The problem is that wants are very, very good at disguising themselves as needs. For example, I need my coffee. I need this phone. I need to eat out because I had no time. Marketing has spent billions of dollars teaching you to feel that exact word. The bills don't care how you feel. So the first skill is just being honest about which side of the line a thing actually sits on before your brain decides for you. Now, why is that so hard? Because your brain is working against you in two ways. The first is lifestyle creep. The moment you earn a little more, your spending quietly rises to match it. The raise disappears. You feel just as broke at a higher income, which is why people making good money still can live paycheck to paycheck. The second is what I call death by 1,000 cuts. It's not the one big purchase that gets you. It's the small recurring charges you stop noticing. $12 here, $10 there, a free trial you forgot to cancel. Individually, nothing. But together they can quietly eat an entire paycheck a year. And to be fair, the small stuff is not the whole story. Skipping one coffee won't make you rich, but the habit of not noticing, that's the thing that keeps you broke. Big or small, the fix is the same. See it before it sees you. So here are filters that actually work. First, the 24-hour rule. For anything that isn't a true need, wait 1 day before buying. That's it. The urge to buy is mostly a feeling, and feelings have a short shelf life. Most of the time, 24 hours later, you just don't care anymore. The ones you still want, those are usually worth it. Second, run the three-way test. Ask, is this a need, a want, or a want wearing a need's clothing? The third category is where the money leaks. I just need new clothes for work might really be I want new clothes and work as my excuse. Just naming it honestly changes the decision. Third, audit the autopilot. Once a month, open your statements and look at every recurring charge. Cancel anything you don't consciously choose to use this month. Then look for swaps that don't feel like punishment. The same thing for less, not nothing at all. Deprivation never lasts. Smarter spending does. Now here's the part people miss. The goal was never to stop spending. Spending money is fine. The goal is to spend on a purpose. Every want you catch and skip isn't money lost, it's money freed. And freed money has somewhere better to go. Take the difference, even a small one, and send it somewhere automatically the day you get paid. Your starter savings, your emergency buffer. Later, an account that actually grows. You will not feel the loss of a subscription you forgot you had, but you absolutely feel having money when something goes wrong. That's the whole trade. Invisible wants for visible security. Remember those people from the start? Same job, same paycheck, completely different lives? Now you know the difference. It was never income, it was attention. One of them watched the line between needs and wants. The other never learned to look, but you just did. If this made the invisible visible, subscribe because the next video is where the freed up money actually starts working for you. I'll see you there.